Morning, dear kids. Welcome in today's EVS class. Today we will start next chapter of your course book, chapter 5, My School. Dear students, I hope you all have completed the first page of your course book. So let's come on the next page. Let's find out. Okay, can you tell me why do we go to school? Yes, we go to school to learn new things. We learn many things in school. Like we learn to read, to write and do sums. Isn't it, beta? Are you doing now all these things? Your teacher teaches you how to write, how to read, how to solve sums. Like these things teacher teaches you in class. Okay. We learn about the things around us. And see, आपको टीचर ही क्लास में समझाते हैं कि देखो आपके आसपास क्या चीज़ें हैं, ये चीज़ है, उसका आपको मीनिंग बताते हैं ना. टीचर ओनली एक्सप्लेन्स यू एवरीथिंग. वी लर्न टू ड्रॉ, सिंग एंड डांस. See, when your art teacher comes in the class, then she only teaches you how to draw, how to start drawing, and then how to sing and dance. Your dance teacher teaches you, when you will go in dance room, then teacher will teach you कि yes, this is the song and now like this you have to perform on the song. Okay. Next, we also learn to play games in our school. Same, in your games period, your games teacher teaches you particular games like sometimes she teaches you badminton, skipping, running, many games she teaches you. Okay, next is, okay, our teachers teach us all these things. So is it clear who teaches you in the school? Your teachers. Now come on the next page. We wear uniform. Can you tell me? Uniform are the clothes we wear in special places. Okay, why do we wear uniform? Can you tell me the answer of this question? हम यूनिफॉर्म क्यों पहनते हैं? वी वेयर यूनिफॉर्म टू लुक सेम. हम इसलिए हमें एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिफॉर्म प्रोवाइड की जाती है ताकि हम सब जो हैं वो एक जैसे दिखें. many people have many different uniforms like police, doctors, teachers, etc. Okay, we wear uniform when we go to school. We carry our bag, books, pencil box, tiffin box and water bottle to school. Okay beta, this let's try. I'll send you myself. Now come on the next page. Places in a school and their importance. There are many important places in a school. Important बेटा necessary, ज़रूरी. हमें there are many important places in a school. Like आपने देखा होगा कि स्कूल में बहुत सारे different rooms होते हैं, different classrooms होते हैं और इसके अलावा बहुत सारी places होती हैं. Okay, children enjoy learning and doing many things at different places in the school. So look at the pictures given below. Can you tell me what is the classroom? Yes, classroom is the room where we sit together with our classmates and teacher teaches. Okay, we study in the classroom. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Now the next is playground. Can you tell me what are you doing in the playground? Yes, there we are enjoying swings, slides, we are doing different activities in the playground. Okay, let's read. We play in the playground. There are swings and slides in the playground. Okay, beta. The next is library. What is library? Library is a room to learn, to read books, to learn many new stories, and we are even reading storybooks, comics, many other books we are reading. There are many books in the library. So there are many books in the library. We can sit and read books in the library. So I hope you all understood. Please read these pages twice in a day. Thank you.